Okochi. Otija.
The wise one. The wise one.
Who is shaking my way?
Sorry.
You're welcome. Feel free. You're welcome.
The wise one.
Yeah.
It was my friend that directed me to come and see you. I've really suffered. I've gone round the world just like a clock. I found no solution. My friend directed me. Please, here is my last bus stop. I have nowhere to go to again for a solution. I have suffered right from my tender age till now, till when I was born. Please, I want to be like others. I want to cruise with flashy cars. I want to buy my own motor and build a house. Please help me, the wise one.
You are the right place. Kakaya! Kakaya! Otimpu! Okochi! Otija! Amabo nege nege. Amabo nege nege. Yo koko. Yeah. Young man. Your problem is from your elder brother. He is using your destiny to eat.
Elder brother?
Yes.
But there was one. I don't have any elder brother. I am the only person left in this world.
Young man, think very well. To know if he died before you were born, you need to ask your mother a question, because the gods cannot lie.
Is it possible that someone can use someone's destiny when he has not been born? The wise one, please. I am the only person. I don't have elder brother. I don't have any brother. I'm the only one.
So you are nobody. What are you doing here? I don't have solution for people like you.
Even my mom, according to the story, they told me that he was died. Immediately he put to bed with his eye. He died. I didn't even know my mom. It was my stepmom that took care of me. Please, it is true that I don't have anything.
Get up from this place.
Wise one, please. And I told you here is the solution.
Get up from this place.
Wise one, please.
Look at him. Look.